Hi guys, it's Mary McIntyre. Welcome back to my channel. This is my video contribution to the Claire's Crafty Corner Valentine's Day collab. This is not the video I had planned. I had huge plans of a brand new technique I've been dying to try. I had my first unbelievable resin failure yesterday and the day before as well. It took us 2 hours to clean it all up. So I don't have time now to do the video that I wanted to do, so I've had to come up with a project that is going to be quick, and I still don't know if I'm going to get this video out in time, to be honest, because I'm working at a festival all day Saturday. So I have 24 hours to make this, film it, edit it, get it on YouTube. So this video may not get added to the playlist until late, and that's fine. I should at the very least have some pictures to share on Instagram. I won't bore you with what went wrong and what I was planning to do, but what I'm going to do this time, very simple. Pendant mould. I've got some new resin that arrived about an hour ago, 2 hours ago, but I had to kind of warm it up a little bit because it had started to crystallize in the cold. So clear resin, some sequined hearts, and some little pearl and pink kind of pearls, hearts and pearls. I don't really do pink smushy Valentine stuff. I like Valentine's Day, but I don't do pink smushy Valentine stuff. But I made some pendants with little stars in the bottom and I really like them. So I was toying with the idea of just making them actually pink, but I quite like the clear with some stuff just in the bottom. So rather than lovingly place all of these things in the right place with tweezers, I don't have time for that. I'm going to take a bit of the clear resin out, put the rest in and stir it up, hopefully not too much. I don't want it to be kind of packed in there. Once I've got that in there, I will pour the clear at the top, which hopefully will smush it down. I've never used Let's resin before, so I've no idea if this is going to work. I don't know what the viscosity of it's like when it's mixed, but I'm just going to shove it all in as Claire would do and see what happens. I've got my respirator and goggles and my gloves. I've got my apron on. So yeah, I'm aware I need to get some better quality gloves than these, but it's all I have at the moment. So I'm going to go off camera, get the resin mixed, get my PPE on first, obviously, and then I will come back and film the process of winging it and seeing if I can get a video out in time. Wish me luck, guys. I've never needed luck more than I do right now.
Okay, I've got my respirator on still, obviously, so excuse the muffled voice, but this is what they're looking like from the back. And these are poured in, and I'm not doming them, so what you're seeing now is the back. But I got the placement of the bits kind of where I wanted. On those two, I wanted the bits to be spread everywhere. On the round one and this one, I wanted them to be more focused at the bottom. I can see a ton of air bubbles, but do you know what? I'll be so happy to just have a pendant to show you at the end. With a bit of resin that I had left over, I didn't want to mix up too small a quantity because I know that can make it not work properly, mostly because my scales aren't that accurate. I've been testing my new Let's Resin chameleon powders, so I've done a pendant there with a couple of stripes of different colours, and my absolute favourite Red Hot Moulds ammonites, the 3 small ones. And for those I've used the teal chameleon powder, so really excited to see what they look like. Yeah, fingers crossed this will cure. It's lovely and warm in this room, so hopefully there'll be no problems with the resin actually curing. I think I know there were a couple of things that went wrong last time, so I'm hoping that it was just a blip. I've never used this particular resin before, so I hope it'll be alright. But yeah, keep everything crossed for me, guys. Hopefully this will be okay and I can demold tomorrow, even if they're not fully cured. If I can just demold and get the bales on them, at least you'll see what my finished product is. Right, deep breath, gonna go and get some sleep. See you tomorrow.
Good morning, everybody. It is just past midday. When I pour resin, I always leave a little bit in the bottom of the cup so I can see whether the resin is okay to be demolded or not, or whether I need to wait. Because of how time sensitive this is, I'm gonna take the chance of demolding these now. They feel good. They feel good. I'm excited. They, from the back, look okay, so hopefully these are going to look nice from the front. So I'm going to be super careful here because I know the resin isn't going to fully cure for another couple of days probably. So I'm just going to super carefully remove them so that they don't get warped. So I'll leave them face down first and then I'll flip them over. Oh, that one's a bit bendy. There we go, that's that one. I'll demold the black ones in a minute, they're not part of this Valentine's project. Okay, let's flip them over. These are so cute. Wow. A few tiny air bubbles, but I don't think it takes away from anything. These are so lovely. Wow. I like this resin. So cute. I really like this round one. They are actually poking through a little bit on the back, but it's dished anyway, so I think that'll be okay. Oh my goodness. Considering this was a kind of emergency, what can I make quickly kind of project, I love how these have come out. Super cute. So I'm going to put some pinch bales on these. I've already chosen the ones that I want to use. I want to keep them fairly simple because I think something too fussy won't work so well on these. So I think maybe this slightly fancy one for the heart, but these others, I think just the really simple pinch bale will work. They're a little on the chunky side for these bales, but I like the simplicity. I don't think that something too fussy will look right. I'll see how they go, because I know these bigger bales that I bought using the link from Claire's Amazon storefront are way more robust than the ones that I bought, which are really flimsy. Not flimsy, but they're just really small, so they can be a bit hard to get on. So So here they are finished. They are so adorable. I could not be happier with these after panicking so much because everything went wrong. I pulled something together. These are not fully cured yet by a long way, but I managed to do enough with them so you can get the idea of what they're like. And hopefully I will now get the video edited in time. Really stinking cute. I really like this resin. It's the first time I've used it. It's way more expensive, but it's turned out really well. There are some really small air bubbles in here, but to be honest, I don't think it takes anything away because it looks like more tiny little pearls or inclusions. So yeah, love these. So happy with how they turned out. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Please give it a like if you did. I cannot tell you how stressful it was pulling a video together for this. First world problems, I know, but hope you enjoyed it, and I'm looking forward to checking out all the other videos in the Valentine's collab playlist. That playlist will be in my description box, so go and check it out and see what all the other amazing artists have created. There will also be a hashtag there for Instagram for people that don't have YouTube. So yeah, go and check out and see what the other people have made. Now, see you in the next one. Bye.